Alright, so we have to take the carburetor apart. Yep. As I found out the bowl was pretty dirty. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, the bolt, see the bolt's pretty dirty. I'll take the carburetor off. Well, you'll see it better when I do that off. It's got rust in there. So we'll go ahead and... Alright, so we'll have a 10mm socket. Let's just set it right here. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take the air filter off. Loosen this knob. The air filter off. That is the free filter. Now I'll take one bolt off here and use two 10mm nuts that are on the studs that hold the gearbox to carburetor. And then these two nuts right here. Let's see this one better. Okay. Right now, there we go. Now we can. That's there. So up here, it's your emission hose. Pulls off of this. There we go. Gas in there. Now the chocolate is just started off like this. Alright, so we have the carburetor right over here. So we'll move this joint bolt at the bottom where we got it loosened up. I take our crusty here, pull the bolt off. There's a bit of rust inside it. So we're gonna have to try and clean this off best I can. The float's actually fine. I mean, the carburetor's never been cleaned, so I'm just gonna go and do this myself. Take the pin out. That's the needle on the float. This carburetor, it still looks pretty good. However, I think it would be better if I cleaned it. Really, it doesn't. Really, the inside of this carburetor doesn't look that bad at all. So I got the emulsion tube off loose. Just gonna lightly move it. I said the bolt and washers needs cleaning on this. I need to get the gasket out if I'm gonna spray carb cleaner in here. It does look dirty, so I'm gonna go and clean that up. Alright, so a long wait anyway. So I managed to get this gasket out by using a 1/16 flathead and just kind of work my way around it. I'm gonna try this on every spot. Ah, there we go. Carb gasket, it's now broken free. Doesn't really look that bad. I'll just scrub it, clean this off. And it should be clean, I guess. Not sure what I'll do with this piece right here, but let's see if I can just kind of blow all this off and clean it with some carb cleaner. So take this outside and get it cleaned. Alright, so there's not much I can do, but I'm going to try my best to see if we can clean this thing. And here we go, let's see. getting the bowl clean. Might get away with the wire brush. Oh, the carburetor looks clean. I mean, looks like I'll have to replace the float bowl in the future. So, I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna clean up these builds off the bolts. For now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the motion tube back in place. Just screw this in. Slide the seats. And then next we'll take a float. Put it in here. I'll take the pin. Make sure it's level. And yeah, now it's leveled. And we'll put the carb gasket in place. Washer the same, and it wasn't leaking, so we'll just put this in. We'll just go throw the new one on anyways. We'll just keep this to spare. Actually, we'll probably keep this one for now. Because actually, I'm gonna probably also have to do is probably clean the gas tank out. I'm gonna have to get this, I'm gonna get the fuel tank cleaned another day. Well, once it's installed on the decal. go and get the fuel tank cleaned. So it should be fine. For now, alright. Make sure the choke linkage is in like this. Okay, and then it's like this gasket. Actually it goes that way with the hole goes out, and then I'm gonna replace the fuel on there. Alright, take the earbuds, we'll reinstall it. Should be the emissions hose back in. Set this. Line up with the top hole. Let's get this started. Now we start putting these two nuts on the butts, tighten it up. Alright. Oh, we got ourselves a new air filter. But I'm gonna actually wash this. I'm gonna actually do is wash this pre-filter, and we got ourselves a brand new air filter. Here's the part number if you want to read it. Actually, I'm not going to throw that new air filter on just yet, because I can also replace it any time. So I just wanted to get this put on the deck tonight. It's been a while. Alright, so we'll throw this nasty air filter on. Make sure the pre-filter is in. I kind of could have ordered a new one, but instead I'm going to wash it. In. So we got all assembled, and now we're going to put her back on the deck.